questions 1 through 10 on the 2017 Grade 8 Gauss Math Contest. Michael has $280 in $20 bills. How many $20 bills does he have? You would take $280 that he has, divide by the 20, and that would give you the number of bills. So in this case, that is 14. And that's it. So number 1, the answer is C. The value of 4 squared minus 2 to the power of 3 is, 4 squared is 16, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and therefore 16 minus 8 is 8. And therefore number 2, the answer is A. A pentagon is divided into 5 equal sections as shown. An arrow is attached to the center of the pentagon. The arrow is spun once. What is the probability that the arrow stops in the section numbered 4? Well, the arrow will stop in each section with equal probability. So the probability is going to be, obviously there's 5 sections, so the total number of sections is 5, so that goes in the denominator. And the numerator is our specific condition, which is that it lands in the section numbered 4, and that is one of the 5 sections. So 1 goes there. So that's the probability, 1 over 5. So number 3, the answer is E. There are 160 students in grade 8 at Murray Public School. If exactly 10% of these students are on the school's chess team, how many grade 8 students are on the team? So 10%, which is 0.1, times 160 is the calculation, and that is just 16. So number 4, the answer is B. 44 times 22 is equal to 44 times 22. Well, you can do it the long way, which is multiplying it all out, which is 968, and then sort of calculating each one of these. Or what you can quickly recognize, if you want to, is that if I multiply this by 2 and then divide this by 2, I've essentially have not changed the number, and 2 times 44 is 88, and 22 divided by 2 is 11, and that's exactly what this is. So number 5, the answer is B. The perimeter of the triangle shown is 21. What is the value of x? So x plus 1 plus x minus 1, that's the perimeter. And they have told me that perimeter is equal to 21. So add up this algebra here. You got 3x, and I think that's it, just 3x. So 3x equals 21, so x is equal to 7. So number 6, the answer is B. Students were surveyed about their favorite color, and the results are displayed in the graph shown. What is the ratio of the number of students who chose pink to the number of students who chose blue? So we want pink over blue. Pink in this graph is 20, and blue in this graph or chart is 25. So there we go, 20 over 25. In lowest terms, that's 4 to 5. And that is represented by 7A. When a number is tripled and then decreased by 6, the result is 15, the number is. So we have some number, first we triple it, and then we decrease it by 6, and that result is 15. So this is the algebra. So 3x therefore equals 21, x is equal to 7. Number 8, the answer is D. Tian measured her steps and found that it took her 625 steps to walk 500 meters. If she walks 10,000 steps at this same rate, what distance will she walk? So 500 over 625 is the equivalent of x, which is what we're trying to figure out, over 10,000. Cross multiply, you get 625, x is equal to 500 times 10,000, and then when you divide through by 625, you get 8,000, and that is in meters. The answer choices are all in kilometers. Divide by 1,000, and you get 8 kilometers. So number 9, the answer is D. Line segments PQ and RS intersect at T, as shown. If TS is equal to TQ and PTR is 88, what the value of x is. Well, by opposite angles, this angle is also going to be 88. So there we go. And then since this is an isosceles triangle, those two sides are the same, this is going to be x. So 88 plus 2x is equal to 180, since all the angles add up to 180. So 2x is equal to 92, and therefore x is equal to 46. So number 10, the answer is B.